We are doing a little renovation of our one and only bathroom. This tub and shower is gross. No matter how much I scrub it, it just always feels dirty. The tile and the grout are super old, but this isn't a renovation channel. The thing that I'm curious about is I am getting rid of the curtain and we are putting in sliding glass doors, which I'm super excited about. However, I'm curious if anybody has those, how do you get in and out of the tub? Because currently I get in like this and out like this. But there's gonna be a track here for the doors, and the new tub is narrower. The track is going to pretty much take up the whole edge of the tub. How do I step in? And I don't want to give up the doors because it's going to look so beautiful. I did order a grab bar that we are going to install vertically, like somewhere around here, so that I can have something to hold on to. But that still doesn't solve my problem for stepping somewhere. How do you guys do it?